Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. This is going to be a very quick one. Today I just want to talk about these rear door struts. Now they can be found on 2006 all the way up to 2021 models here in Australia, could be later in other countries, but it basically fits the NS, the NT, the NW and the NX. Right, so just on about every single Pajero of those years, this strut fails, okay? Now the problem is you can either buy a genuine or you can buy the aftermarket ones. Now aftermarket ones can be extremely cheap. If you hop on eBay, they are so cheap, right? They're about $60. Whereas the genuine ones are pretty expensive. It can come to like $170, okay? Now we are selling these ones currently on the website. However, with the aftermarket ones, there seems to be a bit of an issue. About 80% of them are good and the other 20% either don't work at all or 2 weeks in and they just fail. Now the problem is with these aftermarket ones, they all come from the same place. So whether you buy it from myself, from eBay, other websites, that sort of thing, if it's aftermarket, just give it time and it's just gonna fail again. And at the end of the day, you're wasting your money, okay? So what we wanna do is supply parts that last. So yeah, after a few people that emailed us, saying it's just not working, we thought to ourselves, okay, we better make a plan. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, so here is the solution. So essentially, the only way to fix the problem is to supply genuine ones. So as you can see, it's a genuine part straight from Mitsubishi, and we found a way to sell these ones at a very competitive price. And for only a few dollars more, it's gonna last a lot longer than your aftermarket ones. Okay, so here's the old strut. So as you can see, when you open and close the door, there should be like a damping effect, and you should also be able to lock it, and it's fully locked. So to change it over, it's just these two screws at the top and then these ones at the bottom. So as you can see, 1 and 2. It will only take a few minutes. So just for the sake of it, I'm just going to take it off, put the genuine on, and see how we go. Alright, so here we go guys, it's all fitted up. So as you can see, nice and easy. It also shows lock and unlock, so that is great, and just fit it up at the bottom as well. So yeah, let's see how it all works. Alright, so moment of truth, lock it. And there you go. Right, so obviously if you're gonna pull it hard, it's gonna unlock as a safety, right? So there you go, it unlocks. But if you're just gonna leave it there, it's gonna stay locked. So there you go. So yeah guys, hopefully that helps. Like most products, we do test them. And yeah, that's our demonstration how to fit them. So hopefully that helps if anyone is stuck. But yeah, all working well. And there you go guys, now I have one spare, so that helps. I'll chuck that in the boot. So yeah guys, make sure to save your money, don't buy the cheapies. Definitely buy it once, buy it right, and get the genuine ones. There will be 2 options as well. Either get it sent to you as soon as possible, or if you wait a few days extra, you can buy it at a cheaper price. But yeah, that's sort of what we came up with. So hopefully you all enjoy it, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.